Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to apply for Vietnam visa and we'll see the steps. So for that first we have to go to browser, we have to open a tab and type Vietnam e-visa, and then we have to scroll down and find the official link, that is evisa.gov.in. इस पर हमें क्लिक करना है. It opens, then we have to find the options to apply for e-visa. It's loading. So in the front itself we have the options to apply now. So इस पर हम लोग क्लिक करेंगे. Now there are declaration instructions here, you can read these. For now I'll skip and I will tick confirm and I'll go to next. So now this application form is opened. For this we have to upload one passport size photo and that should be 4x6 centimeter. Format should be either JPG or JPEG and size should be less than 2 MB. Our face should be very straight, no hat, no glasses, and we should be in formal clothes and white background. Okay, so I'll upload my photo. Then I'll upload my passport. Once we upload the photo and the passport, so once the photograph and the front page of the passport is uploaded, it shows a matching percentage here. For me it's showing 73.24%, but that's some of the information will be auto populated here, so we will ask to verify. So हम लोग एक एक करके verify करेंगे, and for the field that's still empty we will fill that. So as you can see, name is already there, my date of birth is already there, nationality is there, identity card this is not mandatory, so मैं इसको अभी के लिए छोड़ दूँगा. And email we have to fill, I'll fill my email. फिर से मैं अपना email, it should be same email, re-enter the email, we have to put it as same. Then place of birth we can get it from the, we have to put it same as whatever is there. Now comes the next section, that is requested information. यहाँ पे हमें ई वीज़ा टाइप सेलेक्ट करना है. There are two types, single entry and multiple entry. So I've selected single entry, and then we have to select the grant e-visa valid from. So we have to choose the date from which to which we want our visa. So let's just say if I want to go from 1 to 15, or I need the visa from 1 August to 15 August, then I'll select this. So it would be for 15 days. Now we have passport information. यहाँ पे हमें passport number देना है and it should be exactly same as whatever is there on our passport. Then हमारे पास यहाँ पे issuing authority और place of issue. Same thing, we have this information in our passport front page. So I'll enter that. Type of visa हमें choose करना है, that would be ordinary, और date of issue और date of expiry, both the information are also there on the front page of the passport. So the next is contact information. So इसमें हमें अपना contact information put करना है, and telephone number you can follow. See contact, you can give the name of any of your family member, and residence, current residence address, telephone number, and relationship you can. Okay. Then occupation, this is not compulsory, either you can fill it or leave it, that's up to you. उसके बाद हमें ट्रिप्स के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी होगी, जैसे कि पर्पस ऑफ एंट्री, तो यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट, एंट्री डेट, इंटेंडेड एंट्री डेट हमें डालनी है यहाँ पे, और इंटेंडेड लेंथ ऑफ स्टे यू कैन पुट हियर. फ़ोन नंबर इन वियतनाम, इफ़ यू हैव एनी फ़ोन नंबर, और एल्स यू कैन लीव इट एज इट इज़ नॉट मैंडेटरी. रेजिडेंशियल एड्रेस इन वियतनाम, यहाँ पे हमें अपने होटल्स बुकिंग्स के डिटेल्स डालने होंगे, जैसे कि आप जहाँ पे भी आपकी बुकिंग्स होगी, यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट होटल. प्रोविंस और सिटी सेलेक्ट करना है, वार्ड और कम्यून सेलेक्ट करना होगा, और इंटेंडेड बॉर्डर गेट ऑफ एंट्री, आप जिस भी एयरपोर्ट से आप वियतनाम एंट्री करने वाले हो, you have to choose that airport name here, an intended gate, border gate of exit, and here you have to select that exit gate from which airport you will be leaving the country. Expense and insurance, अगर आपके पास कोई इंश्योरेंस you have to fill, you can skip that. Then you have to click on next. Then you will come to this review application form page. You can verify all your details. At the end you have to fill the security code 20. Click on next. Electronic document code generate होगा. You have to keep this for future reference for checking the status of your application. After clicking this, you will land to the payment page. There you have to make the payment, and once the payment is done, your application will be submitted and it will be processed in 3 to 5 working days. So once your visa will be processed, you will receive one email and it will say your e-visa application number this has been processed. So now you can check the result there on the website. So go to website again, then go to search, fill these details, date of birth you have to select, and then security code again you have to, then security code, click on search. So as you can see, the application status is acceptance. That means the visa has been accepted. From here you can download on e-visa. Say download, I'll show you. So this is the e-visa that you have to take a hard copy of this while you travel to Vietnam. Thank you.